Hey, what's up guys, this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I'm holding here a model kit from Alpha Plastic Model Company, which also produces the Acetac Frontier Kynar Norma, the black one. And now I have here an original model kit from Mandarin Berserker, and this is your Fruity Robo 03. And marami tong variants. Actually, parang 6 yata sila, and yung 6 na yun, it can combine into a big robot. So iba-ibang kulay sila based on fruit designs or fruit colors. But I much like this orange one here because ang ganda ng pagkaka-orange niya. So pinili ko na to, and let's check this kit out. And by the way, I bought it from Snapfit Collectibles. Thank you so much, Snapfit Collectibles, for sending this kit to me at an affordable price. And now let's check this kit out and let's see what this Fruity Robo will offer us. Okay, Panginviran no slits. So by the way, before we start, I saw this Jehovah's Witnesses invitation at our gate. Ayan. So as of this recording, malapit na ang mahal na araw, and so let's commemorate the Holy Week. Although I'm not a Catholic, and I'm not also part of Jehovah's Witness, I'm just amazed with this pamphlet here, which reminds us that malapit na ang Holy Week, and so let's commemorate Jesus' life and death on the cross. So peace on earth, and pakabait tayo. And also during Holy Week, let's build model kit. So I will build this Berserker or Mandarin Berserker. So ang ganda ng box niya, as you can see here. Yep, this is a matted box na may makinis na style. So makinis yung part na to, yung sa may mecha. You know, nakikita niyo naman pag tinamaan ng ilaw, ang ganda, di ba? Okay. So ang cute nung mecha niya, para siyang it reminds me of Sakura Wars, Big Tony, and yung mga SD Gundams. So, ang ganda niya yun. Parang siyang ano din, yung ball, ganun, sa Gundam. And it looks Iron Man. Parang siyang si Iron Man. So, this is the third one. I think yung first, yung parang pineapple, something like that. Okay, on the side of the box, we can see here, cute oh, kulay orange, galing. Then this one, front view, rear view, and inside the head. So the head is this one, the circle one there. We can see, you know, cute. Hindi ako masyadong mahilig sa ganitong design eh. Pero nagandahan kasi ako sa kulay. Gusto ko yung orange. Kaya ano lang, pangbasag trip or pambasag lang ng mga Gundam colors sa aking cabinet. And here we can see again the front view. Ganda ng box niya, in fairness, yung kinis, matted na makinis naman to. And a rear view, tapos yung weapon niya, ang cute. Meron siyang sword, tapos meron siyang baril. Nakakatuwa yung baril niya, parang water gun. Then ito yung character, may espada din siya. Cute to. Nakakatuwa. So let's open the box here and let's see what's inside. There we go. Ang ganda ng orange. Pagkaka-orange niya. So there we got, ayun, may dahon-dahon pa. May leaf. Tapos transparent, semi-transparent parts there. Okay, barrel. May na-dislodge parts na dito. Okay, orange. Ang ganda ng pagkaka-orange niya. In fairness, ang ganda ng kulay. Then the hands, I think isa sa mga nag-convince sa akin para mabili is yung articulated hands. Ang ganda, promise. Then we got here red parts, gray parts, white parts there. And there we got orange parts and black parts. Then yellow parts. Ang ganda ng yellow niya. It's may green. Then flesh parts for, I think ito yung sa mukha eh. Yung mukha nung parang beanie man. As polycaps, I think this is polycaps and orange parts there. And we got white parts, red parts, and gray parts. Okay. And let's see what's this parts here is all about. Ayun, may ilaw siya. Meron siyang okay, may card. What's this card all about? Okay, ang dami niya freebies. Okay, let's check these cards here. Anong makikita natin dito? Ah, okay. Ah, there. Ito yung mga ano niya. Season 1. Okay. Pineapple Slasher. Galing, oh. Card. Then, si Apple Twin Guns. So, number 2. So, these are Season 1. Nakikita natin dyan, oh. Season 1. Okay. Fruity Robo. And, si Mandarin Berserker. So ang pangalan niya pala is Mandarin Berserker. Kala ko ito yung title. So Mandarin Berserker, Apple Twin Guns, and Pineapple Slasher. Okay, so nice. Ang galing, may card. And I will keep it. Then we got, what else we have here is, okay, let's skip it first. Got this water slide decals. Okay, ang dami niyang design. Ah, so dito yung mga mukha nung pilot. Okay, so this water slide decals. Ang dami niyo. And we got here foil stickers. Sword. Ang galing, oh. Sword nung pilot. So it's like broken sword. Then we got here batteries for the, ito yung ilaw-ilaw niya. And I think this one magnet. Okay. Then we got here stickers. Foil stickers. Okay. So we got foil stickers. Then let's check this kit out. We got here okay, do's and don'ts. Okay, it's for the newbies. Then we got here something to scan. Oh, so these are the Fruity Warriors. Cute. And instruction manual. So let's check. Okay, this is or these are the 6 robot here. Okay, so 6 sila and they can combine into big robot. Okay, so Mandarin Berserker. Ganda, oh, colored. Then this is the build sequence. Okay. So it's not that hard to build. Mukhang madali lang siyang i-build. Tapusin. Diba? And this is the final. Okay, may sword siya. Then, ayun. 6 sila. Ang ganda. Pero I much like the orange one. Okay, the Fruity Robo Mandarin Berserker. Okay. Always, let's have a quick runner review before we build the kit. Although, marami ng pyesa na nagtanggalan. Ayan. So, let's start with the red one here. We got runner F. So, these are red parts. And we got here runner P. Gray parts. And yep, you can see in the runner it's made in 2024. It says here runner K for white parts, runner D for gray parts. Yep, 2024 siya. Okay, so last year. Okay, orange parts, runner I. flash parts here. So this is runner Z or N, I don't know, runner Z I think. Then we got runner R for the small parts here. We got here runner G for gray parts. Another red parts here, runner E. Gray parts, runner C. Then we got pre-painted clear colored parts here. We got runner O, runner S for this hand parts. These are, I think, polycap parts. Then we got runner A here. We got pre-painted part there, color yellow. So these are orange parts. We got green parts, runner J, runner M for this yellow parts here. Very nice yellow parts. Then orange. I really like the orange color, promise. The reason why I bought it, because of the orange colors. So orange here, 2 runners for runner H. Then we got runner Q, 2 runner Qs. Then runner L, white parts. And for the Beanie Man, we got here 2 sets of Beanie Man here. This opaque orange and this clear orange, but there is pre-painted part there, which is green. Okay. Welcome, and tapos na yung maliit nating kaibigan dito na si Mandarin Berserker na mukhang pongkan. Ang ganda ng kulay niya, promise. Ang lamig sa mata, sobrang cool. Yes, ang ganda ng combination ng yellow, orange, red, and green. Parang napaka-sweet niya tingnan. Parang tamis-tamis kainin. Parang ganun. Mukha siyang pongkan talaga. Pongkan na pongkan, di ba? Ang galing. Proportion is very nice. Especially dito sa may upper part. Pero yung sa feet niya medyo... Of course, ito yung design niya. Pero parang gusto ko sana medyo malaki pa yung paa niya ng konti. Yung binte. Pero this is the design and yeah, this is very good. Ang cute. Ang gusto ko dito yung sa may ano niya, sa may crest dito sa ulo. As you can see, this crest here, yung red, sa loob niya is may foil sticker na kapag natatama ng ilaw, just like that, ayun, kumikinang siya. Which is very nice, ang galing. Then, yung sa mata niya, hindi ko lang nalagyan ng sticker. Kasi, hindi siya appropriate eh. Parang matatakpan yung parang gano'n yung honeycomb design niya sa mata. Kung lalagyan ko ng sticker na blue is masasapawan na yung honeycomb sticker. So hindi ko nung kinabit. And kung lalagyan ng ilaw ito is hindi na siya iilaw ng maayos. Okay. And yung kamay, especially yung shield dito, ang ganda. Gusto ko yung shield niya na to. Ang daming color separation ng shield na to. So parang 5 plastic clamped together, which is very nice. I didn't expect that. I thought this is just a 2 plastic na magka-clamp together. Then the hands are nice, especially yung articulated fingers niya na medyo may pagka-delicate lang. So be careful. Nagkaroon ako ng problem dun sa part na to. Mamaya makikita natin. And dito sa may paa niya is maliit. Be careful dito sa joint na to kasi medyo loose. At the same time, the building process ng part na yan is you must sand the peg. Yung peg niya, mamaya papakita ko. Dapat isand nyo muna bago nyo ipasok kasi masikip siya, and once na stuck, ang hirap din bunutin, ang hirap din i-push forward. So ang tendency niya is to mabibreak, mababali yung plastic. So better sand it first. Okay? So let's talk about the articulation. Articulation wala naman masyado since this is not so humanoid looking kit. So the head here, natatanggal ito where makikita natin yung character sa loob na hindi ko na masyadong nilagyan ng ng sticker muna yung mata. Teka, paano ba alisin? Yan, medyo mahirap lang siyang alisin eh. Okay, anyway. So, ganyan siya. Yung head movement niya, ganito muna. Ganyan lang siya, gumagalaw. Tapos, yung yellow part na to, ay suggest i-glue mo na ito, part na to. Madaling maalis kasi itong yellow part na to eh. Yan, maluwag na siya, naglo-loose. So, better glue it. Then, sa arms, can rotate yung part na to. Yan. Double rotation siya. Ito yung shoulder armor. Tapos, meron pa siyang isa pang point of rotation dito. So, ayan. Pwede siyang mag-rotate dito sa may talagang puno ng kanyang braso, and yung sa shoulder armor, pwede rin mag-rotate. So, double point of rotation siya. The elbows can flex na hindi naman mahigpit yung elbow niya. So, be careful. So, parang ganyan lang kaya niyang gawin ng bend. Although, ayan. So, parang 45 degrees bend yung kaya ng elbow. Then, sa hands, yung hands niya nagro-rotate dito. Ganyan. And be careful with the delicate fingers. Especially yung orange clippings niya. Kasi, while cutting from the runner, I accidentally broke those, and nakikita niyo yung parang mga orange stress mark na yun. Pag kinat nyo sa runner, magkakaroon siya ng ganyan. So what you must do is use cutter instead of yung pliers or yung mga god hands or plato cutters. Just use the blade, yung knife ganun, para hindi magkaroon ng stress mark like that. So I will put coat on this one, siguro Q-Tix coat or kahit Mighty Bond coat na manipis, para hindi lang magkaroon ng further breakdown dun sa part na yun. Whereas dito, syempre nasolusyonan ko doon, kinat ko na lang ng cutter, so wala siyang stress mark. Unlike dito, ayun, ang pangit, kitang-kita. Diba? So, weapons, or the feet, by the way, feet muna tayo. Sa feet niya, ang feet is, ganito siya eh. Parang siyang may rollerblade dito. Ang galing. Yung part na to nga is napaka-loose dito. Dito naman, stiff, kasi naitama ko ng pasok yung peg. Pero dito kasi I sand the peg, that's why medyo numipis at lumuwag. Ito, yung gumagalaw na yun is be careful when inserting it, because sa umpisa sobrang higpit talaga niya. So medyo lihain nyo lang ng konti, hindi naman kailangan na sobrang liha, basta mag-push through lang na maayos. Pero itong case ko kasi na to is medyo nag-stuck na, hindi ko na ma-push through ng maayos, kaya ganyan siya. Pero still manageable naman. Ang pangit lang sakit na to is lame yung kanyang paa, at tendency is tend to flap forward and flip backward like that, kasi ang bigat ng kanyang armor nga or upper body. Pero it can be supported by its wheels and tamang standing pose lang na ganyan. Tapos since this is parang siya yung leader ng kanilang group, although this is number 3, siya yung nagbubuo ng head. So this is the head part. Ayan. Yung head ng Grand Robot combination. So ang galing Ito yung mata, ito yung chin. Tapos ito supposed to be gray part to, pero hindi ko nilagay yung sticker. Ayaw ko kasi lagay yung sticker, pangit. And ayun nga. Sa weapons niya, meron siyang guns. Ang cute ng gun niya. Parang Parang yung Nerf na gun. Tapos yung sword niya is ang cute din, parang magical sword stick, di ba? Okay. So yung character, by the way, tanggalin natin. Okay, so I used my cutter here. And ayun yung cockpit niya. Ma-open siya. Pero hindi ko pa nilagay yung facial expression. Ang cute, oh, di ba? Ayun yung character sa loob. Siya yung pilot figure. Yan. Tapos yan, mako-close natin yan dito. Okay, let's do some size comparison with this kit here. If we're about to compare it with the height of Gundam Master Grade here, regular Master Grade Gundam. So, yep. Ganito siya katangkad. So, hanggang leg siya ng Gundam. And for going to compare it with this 1 and 20th scale model kit here from Scope Dog Votoms. So, ayan. Ganito siya kalaki. If we're about to compare it with a 1/24th scale model kit from Bandai, yung ating Scene Duality Daisy Ogre, so they're almost the same height. And if we're going to compare it with the 1/24 scale model kit here from Sakura Wars, so ganyan siya. So, cute nila tingnan. And a non-scale Modroid kit from B Riot here. I got this B Riot. So, ayan. Stig, diba? Ganda nung ganda nung tsura. So, medyo related sila in terms of the hands. Ganyan. Hand design. Okay. For extra parts here, I got here excess pilot figure. I think this one is the original pilot figure, but I used the transparent one, the transparent orange. And this part here is for the head connector if you're going to transform him into the giant head, and yun nga, yung magko-combine na silang 6 robots. Then this flesh part here, ito yung mga facial expression. I didn't apply those yet. And ito yung water slide decals nila, hindi ko pa ginagamit. So these are the facial expression, which is very cool, but wala akong tiyaga pang ikabit. The stickers, this is what I'm telling about earlier, the foil sticker, which I didn't put in the eyes. Okay. And this is the light effects for the large head. Okay. So do I recommend this kit? Of course, yes. This is fun to build. Very cool. The color is very sweet looking. Sarap kasi kainin. Mukha siyang orange juice and orange fruit. And of course, this breaks the monotonous color of my Gunpla collection kasi siya yung catchy yung kanyang itsura. Ganda ng kulay kasi. So thank you so much for watching this short review of Mandarin Berserker from Alpha Model Kits. The one who produces also the Kynar Norma. And see you next time. Kimmerman from Kimmerman Galva Studio. Goodbye, God bless, take care.